today when I was almost done with my hair. I'll just place the message right here. So the person was asking me how I do my twists, my rope twists, because these are not mini twists, the kind where they're juicier and fluffier and whatnot. No, these are just rope twists that I usually do when I am trying to keep my hair in a style longer. So I'm just going to show you guys how I do that. So this is the section that I preserved. The person told me late when I was almost done. So I was like, why not make a video for my channel? Because I don't have a video of me doing rope twists. So this is what we are going to do. So let's get straight into today's video.
Alright, so we are starting with stretched hair. I had stretched my hair using the African threading method. Before this, I had a style in, so my hair was stretched. And then I'm just going to spray some water using my mist bottle. I love this bottle. Spray bottles have failed me. The ordinary spray bottles have failed me, so I have resolved into using a mist bottle, which has been working perfectly. So I'm just going to work through that section. After spraying some water on that section, I make sure that I massage my scalp and make sure that I work through the hair to allow it to absorb. I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner. By the way, this leave-in conditioner smells very nice. It's my strawberry leave-in conditioner. I love how it leaves my hair smelling so nice. Next, I'm going in with my hair growth oil. Just going to apply it on my scalp. Oh, before this, I think I had already applied oil on my scalp. So what I'm just doing is to make sure that I seal in the moisture that I have applied in my hair using the water and the leave-in. So I'm just locking in the moisture with my hair growth oil. I'm now going to detangle. I make sure that I detangle every section that I work with. This brush is perfect for that, especially that I have thick hair. I make sure that I use that detangling brush, works perfectly for me. So when that is done, I am now going to use my rattle comb, and then I will start parting my hair because we are doing rope twists. I want them sections very small. I plan on keeping this in for over 2 months. That's the reason why I use very small sections. So I just go in and then part. Mostly it's about feeling. And then the other thing is, if I'm keeping my rope twist in for a month, I just start twisting from the roots. But if I'm keeping them longer than a month, I first start with a braid from the roots. I first braid and then that's when I start twisting. So for these rope twists, I started with a braid at the bottom or at the roots and then went in twisting all the way through. This helps my hair to be a bit uh neat to start with, and then secondly it helps it to last longer. It helps the style to last longer. That's what you are seeing me do in the video. I am just um plaiting from the roots, making a braid. I braid for 2 to 3 times, then I go in twisting. I make sure that I'm very gentle on my scalp. I have a very sensitive scalp, so I make sure that I am gentle. I leave out my uh edges. Yeah, I don't have thick edges naturally. My edges are thin naturally. That's just how I am. So I make sure that I'm extra careful with them. Not I make sure not to pull on them. I make sure not to add unnecessary tension to my edges. So we just keep twisting. And by the way, on a normal day, this takes me less than 5 hours to do. When I am just fine, this takes me less than 5 hours to do. But I think in my previous video, I had mentioned that I was really sick. I have been sick for some time. I'm okay now, but I was sick for some time. So I did this in like 3 days because your girl was getting exhausted. I have low blood pressure and my blood level was very low, so I was easily getting tired. So I just used to maybe twist for 30 minutes. I get exhausted, I stop, I rest. Then the second day again, I go in. So it took me like 3 days to finish this because of not being okay. But otherwise, on a normal day where I'm okay, I do this for less than 5 hours. Mostly I plait this. Mostly because of my busy schedule, I start plaiting my hair mostly around 18, and then by 01, 02, 03, somewhere there mostly I am done. That's how I plait my hair. It's rare that I would plait my hair during the day, but because I was sick, that's what happened. So I'm just going to end here and let you watch the rest of the video. I'll probably come back to do another voiceover, but for now, this is self-explanatory. You can just watch the video and see what was being done. Okay, so I was done. It felt good to be done. It really felt good to be done because this felt like it took forever. So this is how just my rope twists are looking, very thick, very small, and I love them. I love them. So this is how my twists were looking by the time I was done. And I'm just going to turn around for you guys to see how they look at the back. So that's how my eruptions were looking, and I had to give it a shake because why not? Why not? Yeah. Okay, so I just sprayed some water, went in with some shea butter, and then that's how my hair was looking by the time I was done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, make sure you give me a thumbs up, make sure to share the video, drop your comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.